Cooper, can you say uh-oh?
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's right. Say uh-oh. Can you say mama?
Mama.
No. Mama?
Mama. Mommy.
That's right. Can you say dada? Can you say dada?
Daddy.
Cooper, can you say Gavin?
Gavin. Daddy.
Yup, say Gavin.
Daddy. Daddy.
Say Gavin. Can Cooper say Gavin?
Yes.
Uh-oh, yup. Uh-oh. Can you say Gavin? Can you say Gavin? Gavin? Say bye-bye.